How to make money without recruiting no one, guys. Okay, this is going to be a powerful video. I'm going to show you guys step by step what you can do. Now, there's a marketplace called Clickbank. So let's go through this training, guys. This is going to be very valuable information. I'm going to show you guys how you can make money from home without recruiting no one, because a lot of people don't have that skill set to recruit, and they don't like that skill set. Some people don't like that skill set because they don't like talking to people to trying to get them to join their team. So this video, I'm going to show you how to make money without recruiting and talking to friends and family, your warm market, and things in that nature, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, first thing you want to do is you want to find something that you have passion for. And these are the different things that you can look at and promote. So in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. I pick games, right? Now the games right here. And when you go to Clickbank Market Spot, I always look at the gravity if it's over 50%. And it's like 95% of gravity. So it's excellent. I'll also look at the average rebuild and I get 55% of all that. All right. Now let's go. Now we got the product. Video game tester jobs. I get paid to play games. Now you probably asking yourself, who do I market this to, right? Okay, we're gonna get into that, guys. And I'm gonna show you that also. Okay, my marketing system that I use is the Conversion Pros. Let's refresh my tiny URL that you can see. I made a capture page. I got 107 hits right there, and I'm tracking it by this tool right here, the stats and the logs, so I know where it's coming from. And this is the hot link right here. So for example, let's go back to Clickbank. Just say I want to promote this Clickbank product right here. You just click on generate hot links right here, and they give you this long link right here. I copy it, for example. I go back to my Conversion Pros, click on tiny URL, click on new tiny URL right here. I copy it, okay. I already did it, so I ain't gonna do it again. So I track my hot link right here. I had 119 visitors, guys, right there. And I check the stats and the logs, where people coming from, where I'm promoting yet, where I get the most hits yet. Okay, this is my marketing system, guys. It's called the Conversion Pros. I love it. I've been in it for a long time. So if you want it for free for 14 days, you have access to that for 14 days. So I'll leave the link below this video. Also, guys, let's go to resources. Let me click this off real quick. Let's go to the training videos. You have all the training videos how to use this marketing system, guys. This is system training right here, guys, that you can see. You have affiliate training right here, and you have coaching videos right here. So you have total access to all these training videos. So let's get back to the training, the Clickbank. Video game tester jobs. Get paid to play games. Now, and I know a lot of young generation kids, young adults play a lot of games. The game industry is over a $50 billion market spot, guys. So I choose this just to promote. And now how I want to promote it is to this right here. One of my spots I promoted is called Nationwide Newspaper Advertising. And nationwide newspaper advertising have different college university, because every college have newspapers, guys. And just say you want to promote to this college, and it's all about testing what newspaper or university newspaper give you the most bang for your money. And these are college students that probably play a lot of video games. And you see, let's say we want to pick let me pick on this one right here. Cost $79. And this is University of Minnesota, Minneapolis. And you can advertise to this newspaper right here, guys. Say, okay, click here to place ad. Click on that button right there. And then you just put your information in right here, personal information. Put your debit card, whatever you're using, PayPal, whatever, right there. And then put your email address right there. Put your ad copy, and a good ad copy right here, guys. Video game tester jobs. Get paid to play games. So that will be a good subject line right there. And then you put some other things, make 49 some woo. And then when they go to that page, let me see, I can show you that real quick. They'll come to this right here. This right here. And this all, you get paid by checks with Clickbank. You can use some of this ad copy right here, an average of $49,000 a year, enjoying yourself as a professional video game tester, guys. Okay? But I just don't send them here, guys. What I do is I send them to my capture page first. And all I did was I just copy this right here and these bullet points right here to my capture page right here. And when they put their name and email in and take their free tour, they'll come back to this right here, and they'll go through all this, and you click here to join, hypothetically, right? And they'll go through this page, and they'll see all the things that they will have. If you click join now, for example, okay, and you'll see the affiliate right here is Adrian. My name is Adrian. And you'll see my username right here, guys. So I'll get credit for this, and they can start for $1, guys. It's a trial. So that's how you can make money without recruiting no one from Clickbank, guys. You find something that you'll believe that a lot of people will take interest in, and you'll make recurring. So let me click on here and let me show you, for example. They also have, let me see. Okay, let me pause this real quick. Now, for example, that's the money part right there. So you have a lot of, I'm trying to show you all the pictures, guys. The pictures. So let me go back to Clickbank real quick. I probably got to do this real quick. Let me see, promote. Okay, get hot link right there. Let me go ahead and, so I can show y'all what you can make if you do it right. Copy, paste this real quick. It's the same page right there. I'm trying to show y'all something different that I've seen. Let me go back again, guys. I try it one more time. See, it's the page right here. But I want to show y'all the money part. Try to show y'all the money part real quick. They probably took it off or something. I don't know. But yeah, trying to show y'all the money part. I forgot how to get there again. But for example, only costs $1, guys, to get started. And then if you love the gaming jobs online.com, it'll cost $27. But I'm trying to get to the money part. And let me get to it this time. I don't know why. Let me see. See. What did I click on? Okay, maybe that right here. Let me see. Okay, that's where the money. I know I got to it before, guys. I was tripping. All right. Get 100 people. You'll make $1,350 a monthly residual. Yearly profit 16,000. Get 300. That's $4,000 monthly, guys. Get 1,000 people. That's over $13,500 a month, guys. And they give you a lot of tools that you can use, um, like banners like this, banners, and place them in different banner sections that I'm doing right now. And I'll probably make another video to show you where I'm placing the advertising at. As you can see, nice pictures, and you can copy the pictures like that and promote on Facebook. It's very easy to copy pictures. All you got to do is use a tool called uh, snipping tool right here. And then all you got to do is just trace it like that, guys. I ain't going to save it because it's already saved. You don't got to click that join now. I'll stop it right here. And then just save it. That's all. Okay. And what I'm using it, what I want to promote this from or to is, so many links open right now. Let's see, erase some of these links. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Did I erase it? Let me see. Okay, this Clickbank right here. Well, I probably erase this. But anyway, guys, it's called nationwide advertising right here, guys. And I'm gonna play some ads with the college newspapers right here. College newspapers right here. And then what you also want to do, guys, once you place your ad, guys, you want to go to get a domain name, and it's called Name Cheap right here, guys. Name Cheap. Very it's very not don't cost that much money. I just created this September 1st, guys, yesterday. Get paid with Adrian. And if you use my marketing system, guys, you just click on manage right here, and you can track your sales. Let me get to it. And it's how you do it, guys, right here. I'm gonna show you real quick. Click on manage, like I just showed you. And you create your domain name from right here. Domain name search. So whatever domain you use. And what you want to do once you got your domain name, you want to click on advanced DNS right there. I always gonna do this for the video purpose like that. Okay. You want to click on URL directs. Okay. So make sure you click on and you go down this menu right here and click on URL directs right here on both of them, guys. And I'm just gonna do this for this video purpose alone. And you just want to erase, both, so they both have something in there. So you just want to erase them, whatever's in there at that current time. And you want to go back. Let me see my marketing system. Go to the market suite. Go to my tiny URL so I can track everything. And I don't know for this. I don't know if I want to put an email. I might do that email. So I go to my play games capture page. Get link. These pins. Most college people have email, so okay, copy. Then I go back to name cheap right there, and I just paste that in right there, and I paste it in right there, guys, and click on save. Okay. So when they let me see. So I can show you. When they go to www. Okay, getpaidwithagent.com, they'll come right here, guys, and it'll be traceable. It'll be traceable. As you can see, I have 107. Let me refresh it. I have 108. So I know where it came from, guys. And how I know where it came from, because it came from me, I go to the logs right here, and you can see this is my IP address right here. It came from me, 184. All right, guys, quick little video to show you how to make money from Clickbank, and you don't gotta recruit no one by talking to them like that. You give them a service that they can make money from a game tester. I showed you college newspapers where you can place the ads right here, guys, and also I showed you where you can get a cheap domain name yet. It's called Namecheap right here, guys. Also, I showed you the conversion pros where you can track everything. You can make your landing pages, guys. Your autoresponder, your contact manager. You can build a lot of pages to test it, guys. Webinar builder, invoicer, even a link rotator, guys. So if you want to help people by helping them get sales, you can put them in your link rotator, guys. So it's very powerful market system, guys. The training, guys, that you get in the back office. And I'm going to give you this business 14 days for free. No credit card required. So put away your wallet. All right, guys, once again, another strong value video that I showed you Clickbank. I showed you where you get your domain name yet. I showed you a powerful marketing system, and I show you the newspaper advertising that you can utilize. All right, guys. Once again, happy Monday, happy Labor Day, and I'll talk to y'all another day. Peace.